Welcome back to Be Open to Wealth. If your bank account always feels like it's on a diet, you might be stacking liabilities instead of assets. Let's flip the script and fatten up your financial future. Here's how. First up, what's an asset? Simple. It's something that puts money in your pocket. Think savings that earn interest, stocks, a side hustle, or even a bike you rent out. Liabilities, on the other hand, do the opposite. They take money out. Like that monthly car payment or those shoes you wore once and forgot about. The real difference? Assets help you make money while you sleep. Liabilities sneakily drain your wallet. So, how do you start generating assets? Step 1. Look for ways to grow your money. This could be investing in stocks, starting a small business, or even learning a skill that boosts your earning power. Step 2. Avoid lifestyle creep. Every time you get a raise, resist the urge to upgrade everything. Instead, put that extra cash to work by investing or saving. Don't get overwhelmed. Start small. Buy one share of stock, open a high-interest savings account, or pick up a freelance gig. Every little asset you build is like planting a money tree for your future. And here's the kicker. Please show some love to Be Open to Wealth. The sooner you start stacking assets, the faster they'll grow, thanks to the magic of compounding. So next time you're about to splurge, ask yourself, is this putting money in my pocket or draining it? Build assets, not just a collection of stuff, and watch your financial life transform. Thanks for watching.